Whoa. Guys, look at the moon.
Oh my god, this is definitely not normal.
It's getting bigger.
I think it's getting closer.
I'll get my binoculars.
Oh my god, look at the birds. We have to go in now.
I better hold on tight.
In breaking news, the governor has just ordered the mass evacuation of the entire West Coast.
Moving to higher ground.
Hi guys, this video is based on Moonfall, an epic sci-fi disaster film with some groundbreaking VFX and a very mysterious story about the moon. This is a film made for the big screen, so make sure to watch it in a theater. More info in the description below. See you guys soon in a new video. Bye!